Okay, I'm sorry that I'm not showing my face on this, but this is the weird computer and it makes me look like I'm possessed, so I won't do it. We are going to talk about multiplying decimals and how it can help you to kind of guess, okay? So, how does finding a whole number estimate before you multiply help you make sure that the decimal placement is correct? So, what that means is if you have a number like 0.75, if you're going to round up to 1, that means it's 100%. That would be a whole. If it's 0.25, you're going to round down. So it would make sense that it would be smaller. So that's not a whole. That is like 25% or 1/4. It's a part. So how does that how does that affect us? Down here in the word problems, and I might try going to a little larger so that I can see. Oh, that might be too large. Well, oh well. Miss Biggins just going to be blind, and that's okay. So let's see what happens. Claire went to Party City to buy goodies to give out at her birthday party. She bought 15 erasers at 75 cents each. So 75 cents. How would you write that? You're going to write that at 0.75. Okay, so I would round up to 1. Okay, so 15 times 1 will equal $15. So let's see if doing it the other way will work. So I'm going to take 15 times 0.75, which is the real number. Okay, this one is our estimate number. I'm going to say close or estimate. Okay, so 5 times 5 is 25. Carry the 2. 1 times 5 is 5. Add that. Bring down the 0 for space. 7 times 5 is 35. Carry the 3. 1 times 7 is 7. Add 3. It's 10. So I'm going to go ahead and continue to add. 7 plus 5 is 12. Carry the 1. So 1125. So if we look at 1125 and 15, are they close to each other? That would be your hint to know whether or not you messed up. If this number was larger than 15, then you know you're wrong. If it was a whole lot smaller, if this was like 5.25, then you would know you were wrong too, because that's really, really far off. 75 and 100, or 7.75 and 1.00 are very close. So that's what would tell you. Let's try one more example, and then I'll have you guys try the rest. Okay, I wish I could zoom it bigger so I had more space, but I don't have more space, so I apologize. You guys should be typing or using your paper or whatever you can to write on. I'm not sure what's happening with my computer. I apologize. So down here, what 2 numbers would we use? So if he swims that time exactly 8 times in his career, how many seconds would that be total? So do we really need this number? Michael Phelps can swim the 100-meter freestyle in 0.475 or 47 and 5100 seconds. If he swims this same, that's a terrible way to read that. If he swims this exact same time 8 times, how many seconds would that be total? So I'm going to pause right now. I want you guys to think about it, and I'll come back and do the other one. I'll try to